bạn chẳng đông kể buôn chúng là nó cái hai thằng men bò chẳng là xong biểu thằng Việt Nam chẳng men bò bọc đi thiệp tên là mình nước đôi chìa khô ba bò mình được chẳng men bò bị đôi khô ba bò robot mùi chẳng đại bị ai nhận chất cục rong tờ lơ robot thằng song nó không cả bạch chí men bò chẳng đam bay đam na ca men bò tới bán dương pra sĩ pin cà bò đẹp cho trên pì mò tới cắn chương khang cào này chẳng đam bay hỏi men bò vì ai đam na ca tới bán chẳng là không men bò vì miền mốt hay nắng channel chẳng pì nắng sẽ là miền mục nghĩa bia riêng riêng luôn đẹp mốt chẳng phờ thòng đà tụ tới trong buổi nắngประเภทอุปกรณ์สามัญดิเซนเซอร์ดิไอเย็นธรรมดาจังเลยยังนับไปได้ยังพักมอเตอร์โบงยังจุดบนตรง power ได้เคยเล็กปลายมอเตอร์โบงนั่นคือเจียโหมดสำหรับ channel เล็กบอกเบี้ยดำไปดังทายวิเล็ก channel เล็กประมาณไอ้ยังจุดปลดเครื่องมาซินแมนบอลไม่เบียร์รถสันหายยังจุดแฮนด์บอลsorry ยังจุดโหมดไอ้จ็อบยังจุดบนตรง power กำตันอัดดอทหายยังจุดโหมดไอ้จ็อบยังจุดโหมดไอ้จ็อบยังจุดบนตรง power จังเล็กได้ผ่านจีมอนั่นนั่นคือจีเล็กบอก channel จังดำไปผลักโดโหมดยังจุดบางกับเวียพลือจังเซนมาไอ้จำเป็นที่มวยตัวบงยังจุดโหมดยังจุดตามมาคลิกบ้านไหนยังจุดมาคลิกเอาเวียเลยขังเลยนี่โหลดไปจับเซนจังเลยขังเลยนี่เป็นโหลดไปจีปีวินิตีให้เวียนั่งชุบโหลดไปอย่างจังนั่นเป็นแต่เวียชุบโหลดยังเถิดแต่จุดโหมดนั้นจุดมาคลิกเอาเลื่อนกับเอาแล้วก็อยู่ไปแต่เลยนั่งโหลดจับหายังจุดคลิกอยู่ไปจังมันเนี่ยเวียโดนแรงกาได้จังมาดองเตี้ยจังจุดตรง power อย่าเปิดโดโมดยังจุดคลิกมวยซ้ำจำเล็กเวียโหลดได้จับให้ยังจุดคลิกเติร์โหดจังกลมยืดไปจังอันนั้นคือจีระเบียบสำหรับผลักโดโหมดสำหรับระเบียบผลักโด channel วิ่งดับเบิลผลักโด channel ยังจุดปลดเครื่องมาเส้นหมอแมนบอลไว้เวียอลเซนจังยังจุดโหมดไอ้จ็อบยังจุดตรง power หายังจุดคลิกเตอร์โหดจังเวียในเพลิงโหลดโดยโหมดยังไงจังเลยได้ผ่านใช่ไหมอันนี้จะเลยบอกชแนลไปเดี๋ยวโหลดจ็อบโหลดมาจังจะเลยบอกโหมดวิ่งปัจจัยเลยชแนลในขนมในขังขนมคือเลยปรามแต่ได้เลยจังแมนบอสยังปลาตูเตอร์ยังปลาจมูกไอเตเลไปเชียพิจารยังปลาปีนี้จังมวยเชียไวรีโมทมวยเชียไวอะไรรีโมทจังอันนี้เชียไวอะไรรีโมทอันนี้เชียไวรีโมทจังไวรีโมทโดยปลาโดยเมียนสายจังอันนี้ยังปลาไปเชียดอกเมียนสายจังอันนี้เวียนเมียนดักทมอยปีขังขาเตียเลยแต่อันนี้เวียนทมอนักขังกลายมาตองเตียนดังไปเชียอักษรจังยังส่งไปให้ระเบียบจอบจมูกนังไวรีโมทตัวบงเกจังไวรีโมทยังปลาจมูกนังสายจังมาค้างจอบจมูกนังรีโมทมาค้างที่ยังจอบจมูกนังแมนบอลจังสัญญาปลุยยังดักสำได้แต่รอรีโมทจังยังมีมาค้างจอมาการรีโมทมาค้างที่แต่การแมนบอลจังสำหรับโหมดใดยังปลายจมูกนังไวรีโมทยังปลายจมูกนังโหมดเล็กปีจังโหมดนั้นเล็กแต่ปะหายจะไปได้ยังจุดบนตรง power นั่นคือจะเล็กระบบโหมดจังเล็กได้ยังจุดโหมดได้จ็อบยังจุดบนตรง power นั่นคือจะเล็กบน channel ចឹងremote ដែលយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹង mainboard នេះយើងប្រើ mode លេខ 2 អញ្ចឹងអានេះនេះ mode លេខ 2 អញ្ចឹងរបៀបផ្លាស់ប្ដូរ mode មុនហ្នឹងគ្រាន់តែ click មួយចាំឲ្យវា load លេខ load ឲ្យចប់យើងចុចទៅ hold click ទៅ hold អញ្ចឹងលេខ 0 លេខ 1 លេខ 2 អញ្ចឹងលេខ 2 mode លេខ 2 យើងប្រើសម្រាប់ប្រើជាមួយនឹង wire remote អញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ DC motor យើងប្រើបានតែ2រនេះទេ DC កន្លែង motor គេដាក់ motor 1 នេះអញ្ចឹងវាមាន left មាន right អញ្ចឹង left ហើយ right ហ្នឹងគេចង់សំដៅទៅលើright DC motor ហើយនិង left DC motor អញ្ចឹងកន្លែង motor 2 នេះយើងអត់ប្រើទេ2នេះអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើតែ2នេះទេកន្លែង motor 1 នេះអញ្ចឹងនៅគៀនខាងនេះគេមានបញ្ជាក់អក្សរសញ្ញាបូកហើយនិងដកអញ្ចឹងសញ្ញាបូកយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹងពណ៌ក្រហមអញ្ចឹងសញ្ញាដកយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹងពណ៌ខ្មៅដូចកន្លែងខាងលើនេះដែរអញ្ចឹងកន្លែងខាងលើនេះគេប្រើ 3 pin cable អញ្ចឹង 3 pin cable របស់យើងវាមានខ្សែចំនួន3អញ្ចឹងពណ៌ខ្មៅយើងប្រើមួយសញ្ញាដកអក្សរសញ្ញាបូកយើងប្រើមួយពណ៌ក្រហមហើយនឹងអក្សរ S យើងប្រើជាមួយនឹងពណ៌សអញ្ចឹងវាស្រដៀងគ្នាវាដូចគ្នាទៅនឹងDC motor របស់យើងដែរទេប៉ុន្តែគ្រាន់តែ DC motor របស់យើងវាមានតែខ្សែភ្លើងរត់ចូលអញ្ចឹងវាមានតែបូកហើយនឹងដកទេអញ្ចឹងវាខុសគ្នាពីខ្សែ 3 pin cable អញ្ចឹងអានេះ mode លេខ 2 យើងប្រើជាមួយនឹង wire remote អញ្ចឹងយើងបានភ្ជាប់ជាមួយនឹង DC motor ហើយអញ្ចឹងចុចទៅលើទៅខាងក្រោមខាងឆ្វេងខាងស្ដាំតែដោយសារតែនេះយើងប្រើ DC motor តែមួយយើងប្រើមួយទាំងហើយអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់យើងប្រើ mainboard ជាមួយនឹង wireless remote អញ្ចឹងយើងបដូរ mode ពីលេខ 2 ទៅកាន់លេខ 7 វិញព្រោះលេខ 2 នេះយើងប្រើជាមួយនឹង wireless remote អញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ wireless remote យើងប្រើលេខ 7 យើងប្រើ mode លេខ 7នៅពេលដែល mode វាលេខ 7 ហើយយើងត្រូវផ្លាស់ប្ដូរ channel របស់ mainboard ហ្នឹងឲ្យដូចជាមួយនឹង wireless remote អញ្ចឹងធ្វើម៉េចដើម្បីឲ្យវា connect ចូលគ្នាអញ្ចឹង mainboard របស់យើងមុនហ្នឹងយើងចុច mode ឲ្យជាប់យើងចុចប៊ូតុង power អញ្ចឹង channel របស់យើង channel លេខ 5 អញ្ចឹង channel លេខ 5 អញ្ចឹងពីនេះមួយណាដូចមួយណាក៏បានដែរអញ្ចឹងស៊ីសងលើយើងសេរីទៅអញ្ចឹងយើងសេរីចង់បានលេខប៉ុន្មានក៏បានដែរអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់wireless remote នេះដូចគ្នាអញ្ចឹងយើងចុច mode ឲ្យជាប់ចុចប៊ូតុង power អញ្ចឹងអានេះ channel របស់វាលេខ 8 អញ្ចឹង channel របស់ mainboard មុនហ្នឹង channel លេខ 5 អញ្ចឹងយើងចុចទៅលើឬក៏ទៅក្រោមមកដើម្បីផ្លាស់ប្ដូរលេខរបស់ channel អញ្ចឹងមុននឹងលេខ 5 អញ្ចឹងដើម្បី confirm ឲ្យពីរនឹងស្គាល់គ្នាបានយើងចុចប៊ូតុងខាងឆ្វេងឬក៏ខាងស្ដាំពីរនេះអញ្ចឹងយើងចុចមួយណាក៏បានដែរយើងចុចទៅវានឹង connect គ្នាឲ្យតែលេខវាត្រូវគ្នាអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំបានបង្ហាញរបៀបដាក់ជាមួយនឹង remote receiver មួយទៀតដោយសារខ្ញុំអត់មាននៅកន្លែងទៅពេលអញ្ចឹងអត់មានបង្ហាញអញ្ចឹងវីដេអូមុនមានបង្ហាញឲ្យសម្រាប់ប្រើជាមួយនឹងremote receiver អញ្ចឹងខ្សែ 3 pin cable នេះអញ្ចឹងម្ដងទៀតអញ្ចឹងខ្សែនេះវាមានជើងចំនួន 3 អញ្ចឹងឲ្យតែជើង 3 ខាងលើនេះសិតសឹងតែអាចភ្ជាប់ជាមួយនឹងខ្សែ 3 pin cable បានហើយប៉ុន្តែជើងនៅខាងលើនេះវាសិតតែមានទូនទីវាមួយរៀងខ្លួនអញ្ចឹង concert បើល្បីល្ធូរឯគាត់ប្រហែលជាអត់ទាន់រៀនដល់អាពួកហ្នឹងឯងយើងពិចារណាយើងប្រើតែ remote receiver យើងប្រើអត់មានខ្សែជាមួយនឹង wireless remote នេះអញ្ចឹងខាងលើនេះគេមានបញ្ជាក់ដូចគ្នានេះអក្សរ S ត្រូវជាមួយនឹងខ្សែពណ៌សអានេះក៏គេមានបញ្ជាក់អក្សរ S បូកលេខតអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់ខាងក្រោមនេះយើងដោតកន្លែងណាក៏បានដែរសម្រាប់ 3 pin cable អញ្ចឹងយើងដោតខាងក្រោមក៏បានខាងក្រោមក៏បានខាងលើក៏បានអញ្ចឹងឲ្យតែកន្លែងជើង3ណាដែលវាគេអត់មានបញ្ជាក់អញ្ចឹងយើងដោតទៅខាងណាក៏បានដែរទៅខាងណាក៏បានអានេះខាងលើខាងក្រោមក៏បានឲ្យតែគេអត់មានបញ្ជាក់បើមិនជាគេបញ្ជាក់ដូចអានេះអញ្ចឹងយើងត្រូវតែដាក់ឲ្យត្រូវទៅនឹងអ្វីដែលគេប្រាប់នេះ